If your website is showing this error and you're wondering why this happened and how to fix it, this video will answer all of your doubts and show you the 3 main ways to fix this as a website owner. If you're a website visitor, then watch the video linked above to remove this error and safely open the site. Welcome, my name is Julian and I put out weekly tutorials and tips to boost your website performance. Let's begin. This error occurs when a browser notices a problem with the website's SSL certificate, which protects a visitor's personal data. Different browsers can show this error in different ways. The first issue that we can fix is the most obvious one, which is that your website doesn't have an SSL certificate, or if the SSL certificate has expired. Installing a new SSL certificate is really easy, so just pause the screen and follow the steps here. To check if your SSL certificate has expired and renew it, follow these steps. Go to the website in question and click the padlock icon next to the address bar. Click the connection is secure button. Note that this option might appear differently depending on your web browser. Select certificate is valid. In the new window, you will see the SSL certificate's expiration date next to the valid from. If it's not expired, then move on to the next fix in the next section. If it is expired, then we'll need to renew it, which can be a different process depending on the web host and the certificate authority. Generally, there are 3 main steps here. Generate an SSL certificate signing request, activate the new SSL certificate, install it on the website. If you have an active SSL certificate, but if it's not issued properly by a trusted authority, then this error can still be triggered. Use the following steps to check if your certificate is valid, and if it's not, how to fix it. Go to the website and click the padlock icon next to the address bar. Select connection is secure. Note that this option might appear differently depending on the SSL status. Click certificate is valid. Next to the issued by field, you will find the name of the organization that issued your certificate. Go to this URL to check if the organization is a CA member. If your organization is not here, then I would recommend downloading a new SSL certificate from a reputed source like Komodo or DigiCert. On the other hand, if you do find your organization here, then the error could be caused because the SSL certificate is malfunctioning. You should run an SSL server test to directly check if the SSL certificate is working or there are issues that need fixing. The SSL server test by Qualys will analyze a website's SSL and grade its quality. All you have to do is enter your website's domain name into the free online tool. It will take a few minutes to analyze your website's SSL configuration. Once it's done, you will receive a detailed report and a grade. If it's an A, then there's no problem here and you should skip to the next section for the next fix. If it's a lower score, then there can be issues here that we need to fix. Check the full report and follow the instructions or articles given here that explain how to fix these issues. Alright, if the SSL server test gave you an A score and none of the earlier fixes have worked either, then it's time to contact your web host directly. Most web hosts are very prompt to respond and help their customers. One last tip. Can you restore a website if you can't access your WP admin itself? Watch this video to find out how. And here's a video that's a super weapon. After watching it, you'll be able to remove any malware from any website. This is Julian, your friendly neighborhood geek, and I'll see you again next week.